subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Huawei announced the latest iteration of the Matebook D15 in Singapore. It is a budget-friendly ultra-light notebook that is designed for everyday use and is powered by a 10th General Intel Core processor. New Matebook D15 model from the Chinese tech giant is aimed to deliver all-round performance, along with a sleek and portable design. It is available in a mystic silver color and weighs only 1.56 kilograms. The company has added support for multi-screen collaboration and a fingerprint sensor on the power button for security. This laptop was also designed for office work, with virtual meetings and multitasking, and productivity-based uses as well. The new notebook features a 15.6-inch IPD LCD display with a FHD resolution, 1920 by 1080px, and offers a 178-degree viewing angle. Under the hood, an Intel i3-10110U processor runs the device along with Intel UHD 620 integrated graphics card. For memory, the company is offering 8GB of RAM and 256GB of NVMe SSD storage. The laptop is powered by a 42Wh battery and even offers Bluetooth 5.0 support. New Matebook D15 will be available for purchase starting from 26th of June 2021 and will be available from Huawei official stores and Shopee. One can also purchase it from Lazada starting from 1st of July 2021. It is available for a price of 748 Singapore dollars, roughly $558. The company is also offering an exclusive product launch price of 698 Singapore dollars, roughly $520, by applying a limited voucher that will be available on checkout from June 25th to June 30 on Shopee. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.